Welcome to Cook Master Tips. Today, we're making mouth-watering baked barbecue ribs. These ribs are tender, juicy, and slathered in a rich, smoky barbecue sauce. Let's get started. Ingredients: 1 rack of pork ribs, 1/2 cup barbecue sauce, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Place the ribs on a baking sheet lined with aluminum foil. Season both sides of the ribs with salt and pepper. Brush the ribs generously with barbecue sauce on both sides. Cover the ribs with another piece of foil and bake in the preheated oven for 1.5 to 2 hours. Remove the foil, brush on more barbecue sauce, and bake uncovered for an additional 15 minutes to let the sauce caramelize. Remove from the oven, let cool slightly, then cut into individual ribs and serve. In the end, don't miss out on our latest recipes and cooking tips. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Cook Master Tips, for more delicious content.